So good evening, and I've not record the a video yesterday, so I've been consumed by my new game. So I've been playing this MOBA, and for the update of today, so that I can further enhance my English speaking skills, is we're going out of business. No, I mean we're going to venture new opportunities for the business. So currently we're selling lunch for our university, and right now we're selling a Asilina jar. So essentially it's the side dish that we sell, and we're selling it by jars, and especially the sauce and everything. Bye.